When we meet you for an implant consultation, we really listen to understand your goals and desires. We take a team based approach in order to address all aspects of your smile from aesthetics to function. Whether it's a single implant or a full arch reconstruction, I focus on making sure all the details are correct. By working with Alex, we are able to really dive into the smile design process to ensure the best treatment outcome for you.
We're going to look at things like how your bite aligns, to how much teeth you show, and to even how much gum and bone you have so we can find the right solution for you. Michelle is going to help me by figuring out exactly what the smile needs to look like and how we're going to accomplish the final outcome. I'll work very closely with her to see what I need to do by means of implants, bone grafts, or any other procedures to make sure that the outcome is not only stable, but is going to be really, really aesthetic.
The most rewarding experience is when we get to see our patients smile for the first time.